What did you do yesterday? What did you do yesterday?
I watched a movie. I watched a movie.
Did you go to school yesterday? Did you go to school yesterday?
Yes, I went to school. Yes, I went to school.
Did you eat breakfast yesterday? Did you eat breakfast yesterday?
Yes, I ate breakfast. Yes, I ate breakfast.
Where did you go yesterday? Where did you go yesterday?
I went to the park. I went to the park.
Did you play any games yesterday? Did you play any games yesterday?
Yes, I played football. Yes, I played football.
What time did you wake up yesterday? What time did you wake up yesterday?
I woke up at 7 a.m. I woke up at 7 a.m.
Did you watch TV yesterday? Did you watch TV yesterday?
Yes, I watch cartoons. Yes, I watch cartoons.
Did you study yesterday? Did you study yesterday?
Yes, I studied English. Yes, I studied English.
Did you talk to your friend yesterday? Did you talk to your friend yesterday?
Yes, I talked to my best friend. Yes, I talked to my best friend.
What did you eat for lunch yesterday? What did you eat for lunch yesterday?
I ate rice and curry. I ate rice and curry.
Did you go to the beach yesterday? Did you go to the beach yesterday?
No, I didn't go. No, I didn't go.
Did you feel happy yesterday? Did you feel happy yesterday?
Yes, I was very happy. Yes, I was very happy.
What did you drink yesterday? What did you drink yesterday?
I drank juice. I drank juice.
Did you draw anything yesterday? Did you draw anything yesterday?
Yes, I drew a picture. Yes, I drew a picture.
Did you write anything yesterday? Did you write anything yesterday?
Yes, I wrote in my diary. Yes, I wrote in my diary.
Did you visit the doctor yesterday? Did you visit the doctor yesterday?
No, I was healthy. No, I was healthy.
Did you go outside yesterday? Did you go outside yesterday?
Yes, I went outside. Yes, I went outside.
Did you see your neighbor yesterday? Did you see your neighbor yesterday?
Yes, I saw him. Yes, I saw him.
Did you take a bath yesterday? Did you take a bath yesterday?
Yes, I took a bath. Yes, I took a bath.
Did you sing yesterday? Did you sing yesterday?
Yes, I sang a song. Yes, I sang a song.
Did you visit anyone yesterday? Did you visit anyone yesterday?
Yes, I visited my uncle. Yes, I visited my uncle.
Did you go shopping yesterday? Did you go shopping yesterday?
No, I didn't go shopping. No, I didn't go shopping.
What did you wear yesterday? What did you wear yesterday?
I wore a blue shirt. I wore a blue shirt.
Did it rain yesterday? Did it rain yesterday?
Yes, it rained a lot. Yes, it rained a lot.
Did you sleep well yesterday? Did you sleep well yesterday?
Yes, I slept very well. Yes, I slept very well.
What time did you go to bed yesterday? What time did you go to bed yesterday?
I went to bed at 10 p.m. I went to bed at 10 p.m.
Did you cook yesterday? Did you cook yesterday?
No, my mom cooked. No, my mom cooked.
Did you listen to music yesterday? Did you listen to music yesterday?
Yes, I listened to some songs. Yes, I listened to some songs.
Who did you meet yesterday? Who did you meet yesterday?
I met my teacher. I met my teacher.
Did you use your phone yesterday? Did you use your phone yesterday?
Yes, I used it a lot. Yes, I used it a lot.
Did you ride a bicycle yesterday? Did you ride a bicycle yesterday?
Yes, I rode my bike. Yes, I rode my bike.
What did you learn yesterday? What did you learn yesterday?
I learned new English words. I learned new English words.
Did you read a book yesterday? Did you read a book yesterday?
Yes, I read a storybook. Yes, I read a storybook.
Did you clean your room yesterday? Did you clean your room yesterday?
Yes, I cleaned my room. Yes, I cleaned my room.
Did you go to the market yesterday? Did you go to the market yesterday?
No, I stayed at home. No, I stayed at home.
Did you eat dinner with your family yesterday? Did you eat dinner with your family yesterday?
Yes, we ate together. Yes, we ate together.
Did you laugh yesterday? Did you laugh yesterday?
Yes, I laughed a lot. Yes, I laughed a lot.
Did you cry yesterday? Did you cry yesterday?
No, I didn't cry. No, I didn't cry.
Did you help anyone yesterday? Did you help anyone yesterday?
Yes, I helped my mom. Yes, I helped my mom.
What did you do in the evening yesterday? What did you do in the evening yesterday?
I watched TV and relaxed. I watched TV and relaxed.
Did you use your computer yesterday? Did you use your computer yesterday?
Yes, for 1 hour. Yes, for 1 hour.
Did you enjoy your lunch yesterday? Did you enjoy your lunch yesterday?
Yes, it was tasty. Yes, it was tasty.
Did you see a rainbow yesterday? Did you see a rainbow yesterday?
No, I didn't. No, I didn't.
Did you take rest yesterday? Did you take rest yesterday?
Yes, I took a nap. Yes, I took a nap.
Did you go to a party yesterday? Did you go to a party yesterday?
No, I stayed home. No, I stayed home.
Did you hear a song yesterday? Did you hear a song yesterday?
Yes, I loved it. Yes, I loved it.
Did you water the plants yesterday? Did you water the plants yesterday?
Yes, in the evening. Yes, in the evening.
Did you watch the news yesterday? Did you watch the news yesterday?
No, I missed it. No, I missed it.
Did you see your teacher yesterday? Did you see your teacher yesterday?
Yes, at school. Yes, at school.
Did you wear a jacket yesterday? Did you wear a jacket yesterday?
Yes, it was cold. Yes, it was cold.
Did you play a video game yesterday? Did you play a video game yesterday?
Yes, it was fun. Yes, it was fun.
Did you dance at home yesterday? Did you dance at home yesterday?
No, I was tired. No, I was tired.
Did you help your brother yesterday? Did you help your brother yesterday?
Yes, with his homework. Yes, with his homework.
Did you do any exercise yesterday? Did you do any exercise yesterday?
Yes, I did yoga. Yes, I did yoga.
Did you draw with crayons yesterday? Did you draw with crayons yesterday?
Yes, I love drawing. Yes, I love drawing.
Did you play music yesterday? Did you play music yesterday?
Yes, on my keyboard. Yes, on my keyboard.
Did you watch YouTube yesterday? Did you watch YouTube yesterday?
Yes, some English videos. Yes, some English videos.
Did you speak English yesterday? Did you speak English yesterday?
Yes, a little. Yes, a little.
Did you practice English yesterday? Did you practice English yesterday?
Yes, with my friend. Yes, with my friend.
Did you enjoy yesterday? Did you enjoy yesterday?
Yes, very much. Yes, very much.
Did you dance yesterday? Did you dance yesterday?
No, I didn't dance. No, I didn't dance.
Did you feel tired yesterday? Did you feel tired yesterday?
Yes, I was very tired. Yes, I was very tired.
Did you go to a restaurant yesterday? Did you go to a restaurant yesterday?
No, I ate at home. No, I ate at home.
Did you open the door yesterday? Did you open the door yesterday?
Yes, I opened it. Yes, I opened it.
Did you make your bed yesterday? Did you make your bed yesterday?
Yes, I made it. Yes, I made it.
Did you do your homework yesterday? Did you do your homework yesterday?
Yes, I did all my homework. Yes, I did all my homework.
Did you go to the temple yesterday? Did you go to the temple yesterday?
Yes, I went in the morning. Yes, I went in the morning.
Did you go to work yesterday? Did you go to work yesterday?
Yes, I worked the whole day. Yes, I worked the whole day.
Did you call your friend yesterday? Did you call your friend yesterday?
Yes, we talked for 10 minutes. Yes, we talked for 10 minutes.
Did you play with your brother yesterday? Did you play with your brother yesterday?
Yes, we played together. Yes, we played together.
Did you eat ice cream yesterday? Did you eat ice cream yesterday?
Yes, chocolate flavor. Yes, chocolate flavor.
Did you eat out yesterday? Did you eat out yesterday?
Yes, with my family. Yes, with my family.
Did you visit a friend yesterday? Did you visit a friend yesterday?
Yes, we had fun. Yes, we had fun.
Did you have fun yesterday? Did you have fun yesterday?
Yes, it was great. Yes, it was great.
Did you go for a walk yesterday? Did you go for a walk yesterday?
Yes, in the evening. Yes, in the evening.
Did you clean the kitchen yesterday? Did you clean the kitchen yesterday?
Yes, with my mom. Yes, with my mom.
Did you hear any good news yesterday? Did you hear any good news yesterday?
Yes, I passed my exam. Yes, I passed my exam.
Did you make tea yesterday? Did you make tea yesterday?
Yes, for my father. Yes, for my father.
Did you draw a picture yesterday? Did you draw a picture yesterday?
Yes, of a house. Yes, of a house.
Did you repair anything yesterday? Did you repair anything yesterday?
Yes, my slippers. Yes, my slippers.
Did you see a movie yesterday? Did you see a movie yesterday?
Yes, it was fun. Yes, it was fun.
Did you feed your pet yesterday? Did you feed your pet yesterday?
Yes, I gave food to my dog. Yes, I gave food to my dog.
Did you laugh at a joke yesterday? Did you laugh at a joke yesterday?
Yes, it was very funny. Yes, it was very funny.
Did you go to the zoo yesterday? Did you go to the zoo yesterday?
No, maybe next time. No, maybe next time.
Did you go swimming yesterday? Did you go swimming yesterday?
Yes, it was refreshing. Yes, it was refreshing.
Did you enjoy your day yesterday? Did you enjoy your day yesterday?
Yes, it was a good day. Yes, it was a good day.
Did you feel cold yesterday? Did you feel cold yesterday?
Yes, it was cold. Yes, it was cold.
Did you visit your grandparents yesterday? Did you visit your grandparents yesterday?
No, they were not home. No, they were not home.
Did you paint anything yesterday? Did you paint anything yesterday?
Yes, I painted a flower. Yes, I painted a flower.
Did you learn something new yesterday? Did you learn something new yesterday?
Yes, I learned a new word. Yes, I learned a new word.
Did you go to the library yesterday? Did you go to the library yesterday?
Yes, I borrowed a book. Yes, I borrowed a book.
Did you ride a bus yesterday? Did you ride a bus yesterday?
No, I walked. No, I walked.
Did you take a photo yesterday? Did you take a photo yesterday?
Yes, I took many photos. Yes, I took many photos.
Did you smile yesterday? Did you smile yesterday?
Yes, I smiled a lot. Yes, I smiled a lot.
Did you buy anything yesterday? Did you buy anything yesterday?
Yes, I bought some snacks. Yes, I bought some snacks.
Did you get a gift yesterday? Did you get a gift yesterday?
No, I didn't get any. No, I didn't get any.
Did you go out with friends yesterday? Did you go out with friends yesterday?
Yes, we had fun. Yes, we had fun.
Did you fix anything yesterday? Did you fix anything yesterday?
Yes, I fixed my toy. Yes, I fixed my toy.
Did you find something yesterday? Did you find something yesterday?
Yes, I found a coin. Yes, I found a coin.
Did you lose anything yesterday? Did you lose anything yesterday?
Yes, I lost my pen. Yes, I lost my pen.